Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the word resilient. Now, resilient is an adjective and is used to describe somebody or something that can recover or adapt and bounce back from difficult situations or challenging situations.
We women are just as strong and resilient as you men.
So the word resilient originally comes from the Latin verb and the root word resilire, meaning to leap back. So if you imagine a person who is resilient, then that person is able to leap back after facing challenges and adversity and is able to recover from these difficult situations.
You are so resilient, baby. You keep bouncing back.
An object that is bent or stretched and can return to its original shape can also be described as resilient, as it can bounce back into its normal shape.
Down mode. This is a highly resilient organism, able to survive the bitter cold of space and the searing heat of re-entry.
Another meaning for resilient also means to be lively.
Fish are very resilient animals, you know.
So being resilient and being a resilient person means that you have the capacity to face those challenges, cope with them, and be able to recover from them.
Jessie, looking back, she is so resilient and such a survivor.
So in today's video, we talked about the adjective resilient, used to describe something or somebody that is able to recover, adapt, and bounce back in their lives.
They're resilient, they're flexible.
So as we all know, English is a very difficult language to learn and master. So we hope that you are a resilient person. And if you enjoyed the video, go down, leave us a like, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys next time.